让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this month, we're going to teach you the phrase nervous. When you get nervous, when you're stressed, you would say, I am very nervous, right? 紧张怎么说？
紧张。
紧张。通常什么样的状况会紧张呢？面试、考试。所有的跟这个考试有关的都可能会紧张，压力大的关系，对不对？好 let's put you in a situation where you're going to go have an interview. And of course, most people are going to get a little nervous. So let's hear this conversation.
今日我去面試錯冇？
錯啊，我很緊張哦。
唔是緊張，聽錯會順利錄取。
提到好像要祝福他順利，對不對？
對，順利錄取。
Yeah, that last line, 順利, that means hope everything is smooth, right? So it's a conversation between two friends right here. Let's break it down. Okay, 第一句呢，先問說，你今天要去面試對嗎？ Are you going to go for an interview today?
今日我去面試錯冇？
我去面試錯冇？我去就是要去面試 Okay, that means an interview, 面試。那對方當然說，對啊，我好緊張哦。Yep, and I'm so nervous.
錯啊，我很緊張哦。
錯啊，我很緊張哦。Okay, 錯啊就是對。Okay, we've taught this from day one, because it sounds like wrong in Mandarin Chinese, but it actually means right in Hakka, and I am very nervous. 緊張就是緊張，很緊張，很緊張，好緊張。Very nervous, yeah. Of course, the other party would say, don't be nervous, I'm sure everything will be fine and you will be accepted, right? 別緊張，你一定會順利錄取。
是緊張。
是緊張。
一定會順利錄取。
一定會順利錄取。Okay, 錄取就是錄取 to be accepted and to have a smooth acceptance. 順利錄取 Okay, let's review some of the phrases we brought out here. How about that interview? 面試怎麼說？
面試
Okay, that's an interview. And then 順利 smooth.
順利
Okay, and to be accepted 錄取錄取 and 順利錄取就是順利錄取了。All right, let's hear this conversation again.
今日我去面試錯冇？
錯啊，我很緊張哦。
唔是緊張，聽錯會順利錄取。
And this month, we are teaching you how to say nervous, 緊張。And there you have it, another practical edition of Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.